After coming over to the Canva, you will have this type of interface. So now you have to go over here and you have to search for the cover letter. So let's search and you'll get the templates over here. So you can just customize the templates if you want, or if you want to start from scratch, you can just do that one. So I'm going to start from scratch, but first we're going to take some inspiration from the cover letter and we'll just see how does it looks. So over here you can see different other options are there, different type of cover letters are there, different designs are there. We'll try to create some design and then we'll make some cover letter. So now let's go over here and click on create a cover letter. So as soon as we'll be clicking on this one, it will just open this particular tab over here. So over here you can just create the cover letter and then you can just directly go and do this one, or else you can just select a template and you can just customize this one however you want to customize. So this is the customize option. You can just customize this one, and if we go back to this one, over here you can see the page size and the length. Here is the elements. You can just access different type of elements from here. So here is the graphics, what type of graphics you want to use. Over here you can just use those graphics also. So you can just search over here and you can just take. Now let's go and search some elements. Square, let's try to find the squares. Let's go over to the graphics and over here you can see. So I'll just take this one. Or simply you can just take a different one over here and you can just increase the size however you want. So this particular section is not getting filled, so we can just create a cover letter with the help of something else. So let's go over here. Let's take a size for A4 size. So let's search what is the size for A4. A4. So let's click on this one. Over here you can see the size of A4 paper. So here is in millimeter. So let's go and select this thing as millimeter. Let's take 210 into 297. 210 into 297. So this is our size. Let's click on create. So over here you can see this particular option. Now we can just put some elements over here. Unlike this one, if we try to add some elements over here, we are not able to add those particular elements over here. We cannot adjust those. So let's go and let's try to add elements now. I'll select this one. Let's rotate this. Let's make copy. Let's change the color for this one. Let's choose a different color this time, related to blue. Send this layer to back. Click here, layer back. Align this one. Now rotate this little bit more. Increase the size. And now take another copy of this one. Let's send this one back again. Let's change the color. So this is our particular color now. Let's make it large. Let's rotate this one. And another one, let's make copy. This one will just use another color, this one, and we'll just place it over here. Let's rotate this. So this is our design. We can just make copy of this. Let's rotate this to minus 180 degree. And we'll just place it over here. Now select everything. Let's go over to the transparency, decrease the transparency. So this is our first setup for our particular cover letter. Select this one once again, and then we'll just drag this one little bit. Okay. So this is done. Now let's go over here and select our photo frame. So we can just select our round one. Let's select the round one. We'll place it over here. Let's place it over here. Now we'll try to put all the information. For adding the informations, zoom this one, and let's go and add a text box. Name, suppose the name is Kevin K. This is the name. So we're going to start from this side. Then let's make another copy of this. Over here, let's put the address or the contact information. So what contact information we can just put over here? Let's try to put those particular contact information over here. So the first one, let's put as the address. Address will put London. London. Then after that, let's put other address also, the city or the state or anything, or we will just keep like this, London, comma UK, this much. Now let's make another copy of this. We'll just put some gap between this one. Let's put our date as 10 Jan 1994. So this is our particular date. Let's put the employer's name as John J. So this is the employer's name. We'll just put the address or the company name over here. So let's put the title as hiring manager, or let's put as HR manager. Then let's make another copy. We'll just make this thing small. For now, we're just creating this one. So over here, let's put as the company name. This is a cover letter for earners. So let's write Canva. Canva Hospital, and address also will put the same one as let's bring this down. Let's put as London, UK. Select everything, make it small. We'll place it over here. Let's decrease the size. And now this is our particular space where we can just write about our cover letter. Let's move it upward a little bit. You can just add the contact details of Kevin. We are not going to add over here. We'll just go through the next one. So you can write by your own, or you can just take inspiration from others. Also, you can just give comment to the chat GPT and it will just make for you. So let's come over to the chat GPT and let's try to ask for me. I'm a nurse. Let's put a male nurse. Education from Canva University. Experience in ICU, then CCU, and emergency. Then let's write like previous work. I used to work in Microsoft Hospital. So this is our detail, and now let's click on this one. It will start generating this particular cover letter. So over here you can see they put just a random name. We're going to use a different name over there. So I'm writing a express in the nursing position of dash hospital. So here we'll just mention the Canva Hospital. So let's go and copy this one. Copy this. Let's go and just add a text box. Let's paste this one over here. Bring this to left. You can see it's too large, too big over here. So now we're going to divide this one. So the first one, let's put as dear hiring manager. Then over here, let's put an enter. You can just move this thing a little bit this side. So over here you can see the sincerely is there. So let's put a space between this particular thing, and let's write the name as Kevin K, and let's try to put a, so let's put the signature. Now for signature, let's select a box, let's write Kevin. Let's go over to the font section. We'll just use this particular font for our signature style. We can just place it over here and done. One thing we can just do is like select this particular things, and let's decrease the transparency for this only. And for this we'll just keep this one. Let's go and add a photo. Man. So over here you can see a man's photo is there. Let's use this particular one. Let's try to adjust this. And now the things are ready. So you can just change it over here from this. Hospital, Canva hospital. Let's remove one space. Now our particular cover letter is ready. You can keep some space over here also if you want, or you want to put the name over here, you can just put the name over there also. Let's increase this one a little bit, some space are there. Now let's go and download this one as a PDF standard. Let's download this one, and after downloading you can just apply wherever you want. You can just attach with your particular CV, and you can just attach with other required documents. So I hope you understand till this much.